Good morning. How are you all? Now, today is the last day of the week. Yes, today is Friday. And today we will start our last vowel. Yes, today we'll start the vowel U. Now, when you will open the page number 43 in your literacy skill sheet book, you will see this picture. So, first we'll learn the vowel sound. Vowel U sound. What is the sound of vowel U? A. Right? But like other vowels, vowel U also sounds something different other than A. We know U for U says umbrella, right? U says ugly, but sometimes U says unicycle, unicorn. U, yes. Sometimes U sounds U. हाँ, जैसे U का दो साउंड्स हो गया. हमें पता है A का दो साउंड्स, E का दो साउंड्स, इवन I का याद है. I sounds E, but sometimes I sounds I. Similarly, U sounds A, but sometimes U sounds U. Just a universe, unicycle, unicorn, utensils, and sometimes U sounds on, ugly. Now we have already done 4 vowels. In the 4 vowels, in this page what you have to do, you have to first trace those words. 2 words are there. What are they? Let me take my brush. This is earn. earn एक वर्स के जैसे होते हैं. इट्स डिफरेंट, नॉट वर्स, थोड़ा अलग होता है. उसका शेप थोड़ा, उसका नेक बहुत लासा होता है. एंड दिस इज अगली मतलब बदसूरत, अच्छी नहीं लगती है. अगली. नाउ व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू कलर दिस unicycle. Yes. Now we will turn page number 57 where we will learn new words. Let me take my color brush. New words we will learn. First, this column, at words. In this column, what we will get? At words. At hut, ha at hut, ka at cut, at nut, b at but. Now I will take another color. This is ug words. Ug mug, ug hug, ug bug, ug tug. Okay. Now I will go for another color, green. Un word. Un sun, un run, un fun, un bun. Okay. Now come to next color, yellow color. Ugg, ugg, kug. See children, here there is a mistake. By mistake they have written G. It is P. Yes. कग कोई वर्ड नहीं होता है. क अप कब. सो CUP होना चाहिए. देयर इज अ प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक. सो इट विल बी क अप कप. इट विल बी क अप कप. प अप पप, बिकॉज दिस इज अपवर्ड्स. अप 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 मतलब ऊपर. up sup. Now the last one I will take red. Word. T up tub, k up cub, d up dub, h up hub. Okay. Remember, don't forget to correct this word. CUP, cup, not cug. Okay. Now come to the next. Write words with similar sound. Let me take a different color. Which color? So what we have to do? Similar sound means last sound is same. So what is the first word? Bud. It means Here all will be odd words. Odd words. So let's see what are the words. Let me take my brush. Mud, mud. P-ud, pud. K-ud, cud. Okay. Now go to the next line. See, we have done this line. Now, mum, some, bum. Now, okay. Next. K up, cup, p up, pup, g up, gup. Now you know what is similar sound, how to write, everything you know, because we have already done all vowels. This is our fifth vowel, right? We have already done 4 vowels. Now last line. B and bun, f and fun, r and run, s and sun. Now children, all of you will read along with me, full page, okay? I will take my red and wherever. B and bud. Repeat after me. Mud, mud. Pud, pud. Cud, cud. Gum. Mum. Some. Bum. Up. Up, cup. Up, pup. G up, gup. B and bun. F and fun. R and run. S and sun. Children, till now you have learned 4 vowels words. Today we have learned the 5th vowel, that is U vowel words. So now every day you have to read this 5 vowel words. Why? Practice makes us perfect. So children, start your work, and till then, bye.